The data set that I chose to do my project on were the most popular baby names located in New York City. And it turns out, as soon as I opened this data set, I found out that they were actually in the year of 2011. So the data in this data set represents data that was collected out of this study of the most popular baby names in New York in 2011. The survey collected information about the popularity of baby names amongst races in this year and gender, and the database is structured in a flat database structure. Each tuple is either an ethnicity, a name, a count, a birth year, and a rank about the name. So all of these ones, they were unable to be broken, and they were very difficult to be using because most of them were strings, and they were difficult to be able to arrange. So I did my best on these ones. So the data map in which we were able to look at in SQL were the birth years, the genders, the ethnicity, and the name, the count, and the rank. And you can see that these are abbreviated. So we have to be really careful about that when we were doing the research. So the limitations that I had while I was doing this data set was after I had already attempted to organize my data, I realized that there were many duplicates. So in order to use only one copy of each one of our keys was by using the word distinct while I was typing in the SQL code. And the data is only as precise as those who filled out the data surveys. And this method of analysis was all over the place, and it was very, very difficult to actually apply statistical analysis to baby names. So I ended up settling for using pie charts to better understand statistical analysis. So the social impacts and conflicts that I found were that the stakeholders were the parents, the ones naming the babies. The babies were like having your name for life, and you'll have to change it if you actually don't like it. And there are many babies that have the same name, and other humans also can be affected by this because if you have a name that nobody knows how to pronounce, a lot of times people can pronounce your name wrong. And many of the conflicts that could occur is that there could be racial assumptions about whether or not what race you belong to just based on certain trends of the data and the meaning of your name. If it means something negative, you could get made fun of. Also, there could be conflicts between people having the same name, and it kind of gives you an idea of being less independent. So the first question that I asked while I was exploring this data set were what the top 3 Hispanic baby names were in New York City in the year of 2011. So according to my research, the top 3 most popular Hispanic names for babies were Ariel, Riley, and Taylor. And as you can see, it can be concluded that out of these names, 15 were Ariel, 15 were Riley, and 15 were named Taylor. The second question that I explored while looking at this data set were distribution of the top baby names that were given in the year of 2011 overall. And I found that these were Dylan, Ariel, Riley, Ryan, Aaron, Abigail, Adam, Adrian, Aiden, and Aiden, spelled with an E-N instead of the A-N. And as you can see, here are the different distributions of the baby name throughout the New York area. And then the last question that I asked were what were the distributions of the least popular baby names given in the year of 2011. And as you can see here is the distribution of these names. Thanks for watching.